Hey guys, I hope everything is going well on your side, and once again I'm back with a fresh strategy for making money online. So in today's video, I'm here to show you how you can solve your financial problems so you can do all the things on your wish list, like traveling, hosting a party and invite all your friends, going to the spa, buying a brand new console. The list is endless. You do not need to worry, because even if it's your first time using the internet, I will help you navigate all of these avenues using simple explanations and illustrations to secure your first paycheck online with this simple strategy. And the other good news is it's available in every part of the world and it's free. So you do not need to pay anyone. Even if your bank account is a simple zero, you qualify to partake in this lucrative activity, which will bring some dignity into your bank account. All you have to do though is watch the video until the end to avoid making mistakes that will lead you to losing out or leaving some money on the table. And please remember to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already, because this channel brings different methods of making money online every week. So without further ado, I'm the Make Money Online strategist. Let's not waste time. Let's make some cash. Okay, so the website in question is Fiverr.com. So for those that didn't know, Fiverr is a website built for providing freelance services to entrepreneurs and regular people like me and you for almost every budget, ranging from low to really big budgets. Anyway, in this video, you will be not required to be a freelancer, because that will require you to be a pro at a certain skill. And I promised you at the beginning of the video that you won't need any skill or previous experience to make money with this method. So keep watching. So this method is all about Fiverr's affiliate program. A majority of people still don't know about this program on Fiverr, and it pays really well. So clicking on this video was one of the best decisions you've made in a long time. So this affiliate program requires you to convince a small number of people to visit this website and take part in their services. When these people deal with Fiverr, you're going to earn a commission, and the amount you're gonna get depends on which services they choose to purchase. So you see, you do not have to do anything. This is just a simple and straightforward technique for making money, suitable for novice players like me and you. So make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video, because I'll be showing you an amazing feature that will surely help you when trying out this method at your own at home. The overview of this method is pretty simple. Just join as an affiliate, promote the website, and start earning your money today. So you might be asking yourself how much you can earn with Fiverr. The answer to that is very simple. Just go to their commissions plan by clicking on the highlighted word commissions plan, and you'll be redirected to a page like this. So here there are two types of commissions offered by Fiverr. Firstly, there's Fiverr CPA, where you can earn around $15 to $150, and the second one is Fiverr Hybrid, where you can earn 10% CPA and an additional 10% rev share. Now don't panic if you are hearing these terms for the first time, because in this video I'll be explaining to you everything in a step-by-step process with easy to understand details. So let's start with Fiverr CPA, where you can earn $15 to $150, and right here it says it is a dynamic CPA depending on what service your first-time buyer purchases. This means that the money you're gonna receive as commission will be determined by the services you are gonna promote. Now, for example, if you'd like to earn $150 of commission, which is the highest commission for Fiverr CPA, you'll have to promote Fiverr Pro services. Now, when you browse through the website, you will be able to visit the page that offers Fiverr Pro services, so you can get familiar with them. So prices here on Fiverr vary accordingly based on the type of service. For example, in the logo service, it can cost more than $500 up to over $1,000. So why this service is kind of expensive than logo design services not featured on Fiverr Pro is because these guys are excellent at their job. This is how you can pitch the service to potential buyers in case they want to know why the service is so expensive. Now here's the thing. All you need to do is convince people to buy a service. It doesn't matter which one they buy. You'll still get that $150 commission on Fiverr Pro. And this applies to every commission plan. Let's say the customer you've referred buys a service from mobile apps, you will be paid $50. And there are plenty of examples in these categories found on this website, and the rules are easy to understand. Each category corresponds with the value of the commission plan. So when you buy a service in that particular category, you will be paid the corresponding commission income. For example, if the person you've referred, say secures a web programming service, you will make $40. On the other hand, if the person decides he wants the 3D animation service, you will get $30. And once the person buys a service in social media marketing, you will be given $25, and you can earn $15 for any service bought. It doesn't matter which category it falls under. Okay, with the specifics out of the way, now it's time I teach you how to easily refer people to this website while you rake in some easy cash without being an expert at anything. What I want us to do now is to focus on the $150 commission margin. So it goes without saying that we will have to promote Fiverr Pro services. Imagine the money you would make with just 1 or 2 referrals, and if you are consistent with closing the deals, you can find yourself with $5,000 in a space of a month without putting in any physical effort like freelancers have to do in order for them to make money. Now, if you're understanding what's going on here, please hit the like button. It will help the channel grow even bigger and therefore come with more ways of making money online from the comfort of your home. Now that we are clear with Fiverr CPA, let's not waste time and jump right into Fiverr Hybrid. Now, Fiverr Hybrid, like I told you guys earlier on, it will pay you 10% CPA and 10% rev share, and as you can see right here, they are prepared to give you a fixed CPA per first time purchase and rev share for 12 months. This means that whatever services that your referral has bought, you stand to make 10% of that purchase, which is your commission, and in addition, they will also give you 10% of that revenue for the next 12 months. And trust me, any kind of money multiplied by 12 is good money. So if they choose to buy these Fiverr services from this wide variety of services, you will earn 10% of any money spent on Fiverr. That's how Fiverr Hybrid works, so you can decide on which one you prefer between Fiverr Hybrid and Fiverr CPA. So if I were you, I'd choose the Fiverr CPA plan because you can make a lot of money in just an instant, and that will save you more time, which you can use to promote other Fiverr Pro services so that you can earn $150 over and over again, as long as you keep spreading the word and encourage them to make a purchase on these awesome services offered by Fiverr. Now, if you've watched the video thus far, it means you're interested in joining the Fiverr affiliate program. So what I need to do is walk you through the process of signing up, and you need to listen attentively and make sure to follow each and every step so that you can get everything you need to know to avoid making costly mistakes. So what you're gonna do now is scroll to the bottom of the page, and you'll see a button labeled Start Earning Now, and then you're gonna click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be redirected to a page like this, which is their sign up page. So here you're required to leave information about yourself, and just a heads up, please make sure you only input valid information because contradicting info may cause problems for you during the processing of your payments. So here you can make your account private and continue filling in the rest of the information like your first name, last name, email address, and make sure it's a valid one, and create a password. Now you need to tell them what country you're from, and don't worry, Fiverr accepts affiliates from around the world, and that is why they have all countries on their list, and just relax and choose the country you live in at the moment. Then the next thing is filling out the language you prefer and your phone number, and your Skype account is not compulsory, but if you have one, you can fill it in as well, and then click on next. Now here you'll be asked more about yourself. Basically what they want to know is, are you in the right frame of mind to be an affiliate for Fiverr? What are your plans for going on about it? So the first question they'll ask you is, how do you plan to promote Fiverr services? So what I need you to do right here is mark all of the boxes and head on to the next question, which requires you to tell them more about your audience interests. So here we'll just mark some of the boxes like graphic design, digital marketing, video and animation, and then you will click on these boxes on the bottom that confirm that you agree with their terms and conditions as well as their privacy policy. After that, you now have to click on the Register Now button to seal the whole registration process. So now that you have successfully registered on Fiverr as an affiliate, the job is almost done. What you need at this point is a way to drive traffic to your Fiverr Pro services, which will make you the money you've been after. So what you're gonna do now is go to Fiverr Pro and look for a product like video editing services in the video animation category. When you look at these prices, they are very affordable. And then the next thing you need to do is to go to Facebook and search for the keyword YouTube groups. And now these groups are full of YouTubers that aspire to make it big on YouTube. So it's obvious that they will need professional video editing expertise on their videos to get more watch time. So what you will do is give them value first by sharing articles on how to make it big on YouTube, which will obviously include high quality videos. And as a side note, you can refer them to these professional editing services at a reasonable price. And that was just a quick example. Just go on to Fiverr Pro and see which services you can promote across the categories and use this simple technique to make a lot of money without breaking a sweat. And if you want some more ways of making money online, feel free to check the rest of the videos out on the channel, and don't forget to hit the like button on the video if you got some value out of it. And that's it for today. I'll see you in some of my next videos. Thanks for watching.